It is the 20th of August 2026, and this is today's French A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWire, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about the DEA joining the investigation into Hayden Panettiere's death. First, here are 3 other stories from today's front page, and all of them can be read on linguawire.com.
First, Trump menace des conséquences économiques.
Trump threatens economic consequences. Menace is the verb of the day here. It means to threaten. A very short headline, but a fairly blunt one.
Next, HMRC envoie des avertissements aux détenteurs de crypto au Royaume-Uni.
HMRC sends warnings to crypto holders in the UK. Envoie is from the verb envoyer, meaning to send.
And Joe Root revient comme capitaine et l'Angleterre calme le Pakistan.
Joe Root returns as captain and England keeps Pakistan quiet. Revenir means to return, and it is a useful irregular verb to notice. In cricket, keeping a side quiet is a good thing. In ordinary life, it sounds a bit stern.
Now, time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. La DEA rejoint l'enquête sur la mort de Hayden Panettiere. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. La DEA
The DEA
rejoint
joins
l'enquête
the investigation
sur la mort de Hayden Panettiere.
into Hayden Panettiere's death.
The headline uses rejoint to say someone joins an existing investigation, and sur here means about or into, not on top of something.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
La police de Greenville dirige toujours l'enquête.
The Greenville police are still leading the investigation. Dirige comes from dirige, which means to lead or run. Here it tells us who is in charge.
Hayden Panettiere avait 36 ans.
Hayden Panettiere was 36 years old. Avait comes from avoir, meaning to have. In French, age is usually expressed with having rather than being.
Elle est morte dans une maison à Greenville.
She died in a house in Greenville.
La police dit qu'on ne sait pas si elle a pris de la drogue ou de l'alcool.
The police say that they do not know whether she took drugs or alcohol. That is a grim little sentence. No one knows yet what happened.
Le bureau du coroner dit que la cause et la manière de sa mort restent inconnues.
The coroner's office says that the cause and manner of her death remain unknown.
Now for the verb of the day, diriger. In English, that means to lead. Here it is in the present tense. Je dirige. Tu diriges. Il dirige. Nous dirigeons. Vous dirigez. Il dirige.
Here's a normal everyday example. Je dirige la réunion. In English, I lead the meeting.
One last time at full speed. La DEA rejoint l'enquête sur la mort de Hayden Panettiere. Now you... Before you go, one question from today's story. Qu'est-ce qui reste inconnu Is it A, la cause et la manière de sa mort, le nom de la police, or C, l'âge de Hayden Panettiere?
Think about it. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.